Welcome to Math in the Modern World. I'm your instructor, Dr. Paul Regier, and I want to record this video to give you an overview of the purpose and structure of this course. So first, why are you taking this course? What is the purpose? These are your course objectives. The first being to apply concepts from different disciplines, mathematical disciplines, to real-world problems. Every topic I've chosen for this course has been purposely selected so that you can use it. From probability to finance, logic, growth models, a lot of these problems you will see direct applications, if not now in your lives, probably in the next stage when you graduate or get a job or buy a house. Very applicable mathematics. Because the ideas of mathematics are mostly designed to solve problems, and that is part of their power. So, next objective is to interpret and synthesize data in multiple forms. Really, when you're solving a problem in the real world, the source of that problem is data, something you collect to understand a physical situation or a financial situation. So, interpreting and understanding data will be a big part of this course. And lastly, justifying the ideas using accurate terminology. This is important because sometimes the best way to understand something is to be able to explain it to someone else. That's a good indicator to whether you can use it accurately and appropriately. So let's go now to how this course is set up. From this homepage, the first thing you should do is click on Start Here, and it takes you to the syllabus page in Canvas. So we were at the homepage. The syllabus page in Canvas is designed to really list all your assignments. If you're on a mobile device, this will look somewhat different. You'll have a second tab for a list of all the assignments. But for now, what I want to draw your attention to is your first 3 assignments that I've also listed up here. First is to take the course tour. Oh wait, this is what you're doing right now. You then will read the syllabus, read and review the course syllabus, and there'll be a quiz over it. And then setting up iClicker. This is something we need for the second day of class in order to start participating and getting participation credit. So how is this course set up? We will meet Tuesdays and Thursdays at a designated time on Zoom for the first 2 weeks. After the first 2 weeks, we'll have a mix of asynchronous, meaning you'll watch videos with short quizzes, 2 to 4 of them, assigned at the beginning of the week, and the Tuesday session will be office hours. If you have questions over those quizzes or homeworks or anything we're working on this course, Tuesday will be an office hour. Then, which is optional, Thursdays will be a required session. We'll get together and work on problems together, and you'll submit your problems using your clicker, which is explained here. So, if you want to see a detailed schedule of what this looks like, I've made a calendar of the whole semester. And so you can see when courses are required. It says required. After the first 2 weeks, there's some optional sessions. Of note is fall break kind of disrupts that pattern. There's a Thursday there's no class, so we'll move our Thursday class to Tuesday. And so you can follow along. Every assignment for the course is listed here. So if you're organized and like to keep an eye on what's coming up, that's a very good resource. If not, make sure you log into Canvas frequently and keep an eye on your to-do list here. These are all the things that are coming up. Other than that, there's modules. This is a item by item list of all the resources and assignments of this course. If you like, assignments are listed by category. Announcements I'll be using to communicate with you, and we'll use a few discussions throughout this course. Another way you can log on to Zoom besides using the URL posted on the, I guess it's on the syllabus page, excuse me. That's how you can log on to class. There's also a Zoom tab which links you to that same course. If you miss class, there are recordings under Panopto Video. So I hope this gives you a good layout of the course so you can use it well and find things easily. Look forward to seeing you in class for your engagement and questions. It's going to be a fun semester. See you soon.